Gold extracting videos are going absolutely insane on social media right now, and nobody watching these can tell for even a single second that they were made using AI. Look at this Instagram page, 212,000 followers built purely by posting this exact style of content, with top videos hitting 29 million views. Watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted, let's break down the exact free workflow. First, head straight to the description below, grab the master template prompt and copy every single word. Jump over to ChatGPT and paste it. Hit enter and it will generate your foundation list. Go through the options carefully and pick the object that feels the most satisfying and intriguing to watch. Type the number in. Just few seconds, it will generate motion prompt, copy it. Now, head over to Google Flow, select the video option from the top menu, choose OmniFlash as your video engine model, and adjust your duration and aspect ratio settings. Paste the full prompt block directly into the field. Hit generate within just a few seconds. Google Flow delivers your complete viral gold extracting video right in front of you, fully finished and ready to post. Let's watch the full result together. And if you want to learn how to build viral stickman finance documentaries using just one single sentence, click on this video right now and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step.